Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how I make a super easy and delicious caldo de pollo con arroz. This recipe, you guys, it's super easy and it's just perfect for the upcoming months. So in case you guys want to learn how I make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, and for this recipe you're going to need 4 pounds of drumsticks, 1.5 cups of rice, 3 ramen tomatoes, 1 small onion, 1 garlic clove, 1 bunch of fresh cilantro, some cumin, 1 chicken bouillon, 1 tomato bouillon, and of course some salt. So these are the ingredients, you guys. Now let's get started. Alrighty guys, so the first thing we're going to do is boil our chicken. So here I have 12 cups of water, so all I'm going to do is just add the drumsticks with some salt. Just add some salt, and the salt you guys always gonna be able to add some more, you know, after the chicken's cooking. You can try it. So now I'm just gonna boil it for about 30 minutes, and then after that we can get to our next step. Alright guys, so here I have it set on high heat, and we're just gonna let it boil for about 30 minutes. Alrighty guys, so after 30 minutes our chicken should look something like this. It should be almost cooked. And now we're just gonna add our rice, but before we add our rice, we're going to take out all this foamy thing, like the foamy fat. Is that even how you say it? So we're just gonna get rid of all that. And now we can add our 1.5 cups of rice. So now we're just gonna let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes, and then meanwhile we can start working on our broth. Alrighty guys, so now we're just gonna blend our tomatoes, the onion, and the garlic, and then I also grabbed 2 cups of the chicken broth. You can use a chicken broth or you can always use water. So I'm just gonna add that into my blender and start mixing it. And then for the cumin, I'm just gonna use 1/2 teaspoon. And of course, don't forget your bouillons. So we're just gonna mix that and make it into like a... So we're just gonna mix that and make it into a liquid. Alrighty guys, so after the 15 minutes, your rice should be already soft and cooked. So we can add our tomato broth. So we're just gonna add it. Mix it around. And I'm just gonna add a little bit more water. So about another 1/2 cup of water. Just because I don't want it to be thick. Okay. So we're just gonna let it boil for 5 minutes. Alright guys, and once it comes to a boil, your chicken will be all done and ready to be served. So just Smells so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. Super delicious. And here I just serve it with some salsa. And of course, some lime in my mouth. It's super watery. Oh. That's it. Super easy and delicious caldo de pollo con arroz. And for the best part, add some lime in there. And of course, your salsa. Get some piece of that chicken. Hold on. I'm trying to grab a piece of chicken. So good. Delicious. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, a super easy and delicious caldo de pollo con arroz. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and as always, if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Just comment down below how is it that you make it, and if you give any of my recipes a try, please don't forget to send them through Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook. I really enjoy watching you recreate the recipes. And you guys, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make super easy and delicious caldo de pollo con arroz. This recipe, you guys, it's super easy and it's just perfect for the upcoming cold days. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you guys how to make a super easy... Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you...
Gio! Hey! Gio! You did it on purpose. Gio!
And it's seriously delicious. Wait, I can't. Alrighty guys, so you guys ready for the Alrighty guys, and there you have it, a super easy and delicious caldo de... Hold on, I'm choking.
Don't choke.
And also, if you have made my previous recipes, don't forget to send me your pictures through Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook. Did I say Facebook? Facebook. It's seriously super easy, you guys. And this is the way I make it, okay? So, in case... Wait, we're starting. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how I make a super easy and delicious caldo de pollo con arroz. It's Wait.
Claudia. 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 Hurry up. I got stuff I gotta do. Claudia. Claudia.